Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we've got this little game of boxers, and this is supposed to be a boxing match simulator where you use your own hands, and then the figurines should react to that, and the first figurine that falls from the stage is obviously the losing one. I'm not sure how that's gonna work. We will see in a second here. We're just gonna open this up, and it seems like there's not much inside of the package, so it's gonna be interesting to see what this is all about, to be honest. So let's have a look here. These are the figurines. Okay, so they got some movement here, head movement. And then there's the blue one. And then we've got the stage, and that's all. So I'm assuming there's like some sensors in there that get when you move your hands over it or something. Otherwise, I don't know how that would work. And then there's some stickers. I'm always not a big fan of stickers. I think that just makes stuff look cheaper, but this is all plastic, so alright, it's kind of cheap, I guess. So we need a screwdriver and some batteries. Let me take care of that for a second. Okay, so now they're in here. And then you just turn that on. So far nothing happens. So just so you know, there's actually sound. It just said like get ready players and fight. I just mute it because I find it really annoying when you're actually trying to tell people what's happening if there's like a different voice and all sounds and stuff going through. But yeah, there's the sensors. I found them already. And then I think you just place them on here. Let's get them. Okay, how's that? Okay, got it. Okay, you have to slide them in. And then they face each other, and then that should be it. Then you just turn it on. And then the game should be able to be started. So I would say we give it a try, right? I mean, oh, okay. So this is the demo mode. Um, and let's try it ourselves here. So, okay, here it recognizes my fingers on here, so the right hand is moving. Now, okay, this is the left one. It's not perfect. It works, I guess. I don't know how much I have to smack that other guy. Maybe I'm not hitting him right or something. Someone should be winning here. Okay, let's go, let's go. Or maybe there's a certain amount of hits you have to land, and then the other figurine is getting kicked out of the stage, and this is basically what this game is about. I mean, obviously, maybe when you actually have your hands there and move them around and smack them, maybe then it works better. I don't know if that makes a difference. We can give that a try. Just make it face this way, and then we try to do it the way it is supposed to be. Okay, here we smack, smack, smack. Okay, it's kind of hard to figure out which angle you need for the sensors to recognize what you're doing, but yeah, it kind of works. Um, it's pretty cheap though, so obviously I don't know. You can't expect too much out of it, but I can see how you can have some fun with it. So that's gonna be it for today's video, and I would say I'll see you next. Better and out.